Yes, I have.
Yes, I've heard of the Oak Room.
No, I have not. I've not heard of it.
I think people just talking about shuffling. It's like one of the first bars down in that area.
Just people talking about it. I think people have events there.
No, I've been to Louie Louie's, which is near the Oak Room, so I've walked past it.
It's not out of the question.
Yeah, now, because I like to know like different places here, but not knowing about it, now I want to go see what it's about.
The Oak Room Bar and Grill has been an Athens family restaurant for over 40 years. Located on 14 Station Street, it is only 2 blocks from downtown Athens. It offers a full-service bar with drafts, imports, and microbrews, along with both dinner and lunch menus. Other amenities include free wireless internet to customers, 50-cent pool tables, catering options, and a loft that comfortably seats 25 to 30 people.
Whether you are looking for a new dinner spot or maybe a new bar to add to your shuffle, check out the Oak Room Bar and Grill.